next guest says, once you go homemade, you may never go back. We're talking about a pumpkin spice blend that you can jar for yourself or gift to neighbors as a thoughtful gesture this holiday season. Recipe creator Tami Steggell is here to show us why her mix is a must this season. So good to see you.
Good to see you.
I wouldn't even think about doing my own little blend here. Why do you like it so much?
Well, I think the reason why it came to mind is I was making a pumpkin strudel cake and I was curating my own spices to write the recipe, and I was like, wow, this would be a great neighbor gift for the holidays, just to kind of sneak in before the busy rush. And it's all curated so you can combine the flavor the way that you want to deliver it. A little more cinnamon, more ginger, less this, more that.
Yeah, the customization is fun. What does go into pumpkin pie spice? I don't even know.
So this particular one is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, cloves, and cardamom. And I feel like cardamom is kind of that magic spice that makes this one a little bit more special.
I can't even think what that might taste like, but I'm imagining good depth.
So think of like sweet black pepper.
Okay.
And black pepper is a trick that you can use in making pumpkin pie spice, but I chose cardamom.
Okay.
And there's green and black cardamom, and they deliver a little bit different flavors.
We've got a minute left. Tell us quickly how you package this.
So you just put it in a little spice jar, and you can order these little spice jars online.
How cute.
A lot of jars come with a funnel, and then you can just download some templates from Avery and have little hang tags and little pumpkin spice tags and put it in a little neighbor gift and include a recipe along with it.
Oh, the recipe is a fun touch. Here's what you do
because now you know how to make what to do with your spice, and you can do it in your own time without any pressure of eating all the holiday sweets.
What a thoughtful gesture, and just knowing you're getting that customized combination, I think adds to the allure or the appeal of the gift. Tami, thank you so much. Do you have this recipe or these measurements broken down for us?
Yes, this is all broken down. It will be on the Noon Show website, and you can also find it on bitemeindustries.com.
That's where you can find Tami and all of her delicious recipes, and I'm assuming a lot of recipes coming up that can use this.
Absolutely, yes.
We'll look to you for our holiday cooking helpline. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you bet.